Have you ever felt an inexplicable connection with someone? A sense that you know what they're thinking or feeling without a word being spoken? This intriguing phenomenon, known as telepathy, has captivated humanity for centuries. It's a concept that straddles the line between science fiction and potential reality. Can our minds truly communicate across distances, transcending the limitations of our physical senses? The human brain is a vast and complex organ. We are only beginning to scratch the surface of its capabilities. Could telepathy be one of its hidden powers, waiting to be unlocked? The possibility has fueled countless stories, myths, and scientific inquiries. It's a question that continues to ignite our imaginations. The pursuit of understanding telepathy has led researchers down many fascinating paths. From laboratory experiments to anecdotal accounts, the evidence is as diverse as it is controversial. Some dismiss telepathy as mere coincidence or wishful thinking. Others believe it holds the key to unlocking a deeper understanding of human consciousness and its hidden potential. The shadowy world of espionage might seem like an unlikely place to explore the mysteries of the human mind. Yet in the midst of the Cold War, the CIA embarked on a top-secret program to investigate psychic phenomena, including telepathy. This program, known as Project Stargate, ran for over 2 decades. It reflected the intense curiosity surrounding the potential of extrasensory perception and its implications for national security. The CIA's interest in telepathy stemmed from reports of Soviet research into psychic abilities. Fearing they might be falling behind in a psychic arms race, the US government invested significant resources in exploring the unknown. Project Stargate involved a range of experiments, often using techniques like remote viewing. This involved individuals attempting to perceive distant locations or events using only their minds. While the program's findings remain classified, the very existence of Project Stargate speaks volumes. It reflects a time when the lines between science and speculation were blurred. The CIA's willingness to explore the fringes of human potential highlights the enduring allure of telepathy and its potential implications. Dr. Charles Tart, a prominent figure in the field of parapsychology, dedicated his career to studying altered states of consciousness and psychic phenomena. His rigorous experiments, often conducted in controlled laboratory settings, aimed to provide scientific evidence for telepathy and other extrasensory perception abilities. Tart's work, while groundbreaking, also highlighted the challenges and complexities inherent in studying such elusive phenomena. One of Tart's most significant contributions was his research on the decline effect. This phenomenon refers to the tendency for psychic abilities, initially strong in experimental settings, to diminish over time. This decline effect, observed in various ESP studies, presented a major hurdle for researchers seeking consistent and replicable results. Tart's work acknowledged the elusive nature of these abilities, raising more questions than answers. While Tart's research did not provide conclusive proof of telepathy, it advanced the field by establishing rigorous methodologies and highlighting the need for controlled experiments. His work continues to be cited by both skeptics and believers, sparking debate and further exploration into the complexities of the human mind. Our brains are constantly abuzz with electrical activity, generating a symphony of brainwaves that reflect our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Could these brainwaves hold the key to understanding and even enhancing telepathic communication? Some researchers believe they might. Brainwave entrainment, a technique using rhythmic auditory or visual stimuli, has shown potential in influencing brainwave patterns. By synchronizing brain activity between individuals, could we potentially facilitate the transmission of thoughts and emotions? This area of research is still in its infancy, but it offers a tantalizing glimpse into the possibility of harnessing brainwave technology to bridge the gap between minds. Imagine a future where we can communicate directly with our thoughts, sharing ideas, feelings, and experiences without the need for words. This concept, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, might be closer than we think. As our understanding of the brain and its intricate workings continues to evolve, so too does the potential for unlocking the secrets of telepathic communication. Section 5. A world divided, skepticism versus belief. The existence of telepathy remains a topic of intense debate, dividing the scientific community and the public alike. Skeptics argue that there is no credible scientific evidence to support the claims of telepathy, dismissing it as pseudoscience or wishful thinking. They often attribute reported experiences to coincidence, misinterpretations, or flawed methodologies. Believers, on the other hand, point to anecdotal accounts, historical records, and intriguing research findings as evidence that telepathy is a real phenomenon. They argue that our current understanding of the brain and consciousness is limited, and that dismissing telepathy outright stifles scientific curiosity and exploration. The debate between skeptics and believers highlights the challenges of studying subjective experiences like telepathy. It also underscores the importance of approaching such inquiries with a balance of open-mindedness and critical thinking. While the jury is still out on the existence of telepathy, the ongoing debate fuels further research and exploration into the mysteries of the human mind. Section 6. Whispers through time, anecdotal evidence. Throughout history, there have been countless anecdotal accounts of telepathy, stories of people seemingly connected across vast distances, sharing thoughts, dreams, and premonitions. While these accounts are often dismissed as mere coincidence or folklore, they persist, weaving a tapestry of intrigue and wonder. One such example involves the celebrated author, Mark Twain. He recounted a vivid dream in which he saw his brother, Henry, lying in a coffin, dressed in a suit Twain had lent him. Disturbingly, the dream proved tragically prophetic. Henry died shortly after in a steamboat accident, wearing the very suit from Twain's dream. While anecdotal evidence should be approached with caution, these stories, passed down through generations, speak to a deep-seated human fascination with the possibility of mental connections. They serve as a reminder that not everything can be explained by current scientific understanding, and that the mysteries of the mind continue to captivate and inspire. Section 7. The Telepathic Future. A World Transformed. Imagine a world where telepathy is not a matter of speculation but a proven reality, seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. How would such a profound discovery transform human communication, relationships, and society as a whole? The implications are as vast as they are thought-provoking. In a telepathic society, the barriers of language would crumble, fostering deeper understanding and empathy between cultures. The ability to communicate thoughts and emotions directly could revolutionize education, therapy, and conflict resolution. Imagine a world where misunderstandings are minimized and genuine connection is the norm. However, a telepathic world also presents potential challenges. Privacy, as we know it, would cease to exist, raising ethical concerns about mental intrusion and the potential for manipulation. The very nature of individuality and personal boundaries would be redefined in a world where thoughts are no longer entirely our own. Section 8. Conclusion. The quest to understand telepathy is ultimately a journey into the uncharted territories of human consciousness. While definitive proof remains elusive, the pursuit itself has yielded valuable insights into the complexities of the brain and the boundless potential of the human mind. Whether telepathy is ultimately proven to be a real phenomenon or a product of our yearning for connection, the exploration itself expands our understanding of who we are and the nature of reality itself. The journey, filled with its twists, turns, and tantalizing possibilities, is just as important as the destination.